want to do this video quickly on the way back home. Kind of like an update video where we're like right now on the channel. Yeah, so as you can probably tell, this ain't the Ford anymore. I've got rid of the Ford. I remember doing a video saying I've just had it, you know, where I've added more power to it and torque, and it was incredible. But then I found out that the EGR valve had gone, and on them cars you can't just change the EGR valve, you need to change all the intercooler and everything that comes with it, so it was a real expensive job. I think the part was something daft like £700 or 600 and something pound, and the rest were labour, so totaling £1,000. And I feel it didn't justify the car. I weren't paying that. So I got rid of the car. And now I'm in a Hyundai Tucson. My first like SUV, even though it's, you know, technically a mid, but it's still an SUV. I'm loving it. It's a whole new experience, you know. Same power as my other Ford actually, and the Ford before that, so the power is nice. I've not lost any power. This is a 1.6 turbo petrol. The Mondeo was a 2 litre turbo diesel, but honestly you can't tell. This is great on fuel, great on long road trips, comfy. It's got all the specs I wanted on it really, aside the sunroof. I couldn't find one in time because I'm impatient, you know, what had a sunroof, so I just got this one anyway. So yeah, I want to start by saying, if you've been watching my videos and you're here because of the Ford, I appreciate you. Again, I needed to get rid of it. I would have kept the car for a lot longer. I had plans with it. I actually had it booked in to get remat, the wheels done, chrome delete what I wanted on it. I was going to actually take it to a few car meets and that, and you know, maybe meet some of you guys or meet new people, and you know, Ford owners group, I was on there, but I weren't getting anywhere. So yeah, I was a bit knocked back by that repair and a bit, you know, cheesed off, because not only was it having problems with the coolant non-stop coming out, it kept going into limp mode as well. So I don't know what was going on. It was just, you know, daft. I'd just like to say thank you for sticking by me. And I know my uploads have been scattered. They've been, you know, quite a few months out or weeks out here and there. I've just uploaded, you know, bits and pieces in between. But I want to do this video quickly on the way back home.